Lesson 3, Selection and Cropping. So right now, so this time I'm going to do cropping and also the selection tools and how to put face on the body. So you can put any faces that you like on the body, whatever you like, and this is how I do it. But I will use the lazy way and the simplest way and the most efficient way to help you solve the problem instead of the complicated way. Because I'm not a complicated person, and this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so what you need to do is to find the picture you want. I will find the Obama body and also the Ripple Man. What you want, Ripple Man body. What is that again? What's yours is yours, and what mine is mine. Yeah, this is the Ripple Man. So I'll select Ripple Man, the background, and also the Obama. Okay. The background, choose the moon because I like to be funny. I want to be so serious and choose an office background, right? So I will use the Ripple Man face, the background, and Obama body and combine them together. Alright. So here you go, the Ripple Man, the Obama face, and the background. Use the Obama body. I just move his body to the other side. Okay, here you go. And also I will transform it by using the transformations and make it smaller. So you see the whole body. And what I need to do is to later on use the lasso tool, magnetic lasso. There are a lot of trainers will ask you to do it, and that is very tedious and very time consuming. I tell you that it's very time consuming, and you got to be very patient with it. Okay, magnetic lasso. So you need to clear the edges. Okay, to make sure you clear everything step by step. Clip by clip, but until you do that, it takes a lot of time, and it's a very waste of time, and don't have the patience to do it, doing this kind of magnetic attachment. So what I'm gonna do is to forget about this. Yeah, forget about it, and press the escape key, and I must also go to this so-called the selection tool to make life easy. Life is tough, no, I'm gonna make life easy. The selection tool. Okay. Go to this selection tool. And just select use a brush to make sure use the brush to select the whole body. And then you got the whole body, simple as that. So what you need to do is use the masking and use that to cut the portion out that you want. Alright, and you see anything, the area that you don't want, you just delete off using the minus brush. So we go to masking and then the feather out to shift the edge. Shape the area that you need to have. Okay, make sure you shape according to your desire, the edge, the smoothness, the contrast. And for there's no hanging there, so I need to reselect again. Okay. It's just a brush tool, and you got the hand. And you can see the edges are very rough, so what you need to do is use the eraser to erase off the edge. Okay, if you think that anything that you don't want, just erase off the edge. Erase the unwanted parts and the things I don't like. They want it to be smooth. Okay, and also and to carry the head. You don't want the head also because it's only his head. Selection tool again if you're not pleased with the work. Go for masking and then feathering, smooth, contrast, whatever that you need to be done. So you got the body, alright? This is how you get the body without the head. So you can do a headless whatever thing in future. So back to Repo Man. And if you watch wrestling, you know who this guy is, Repo Man. Okay, place it, place embedded, and crop it, and move the face onto the body, and use the selection tool again. Since the background is black, and select it. And you saw that it select the whole thing black, including the mask. So all I need to do is use the selection tool, which is and select the mask of the Repo Man. And then you got the whole ear, okay? And then anything you just use the minus and plus brush to select the area that you need. And then just and make sure that you crop the face accordingly. Once you got what you desire, the size of the head, and then just use the delete button to delete the background off. Alright, and you see some noises or some unwanted left behind. So what you need to do is just use the eraser and erase off the part that you don't need. Here you go. Just delete everything off that you don't want the body, just in the head to the screaming mouth. Okay, make sure you choose the eraser wisely. And you got the head part and the body part. If you're not satisfied with the head again, the area, the edge, just use the selection tool and do the feathering, the contrast, and also edges and whatever that you desire to get a better face. So press OK, and then delete off the residue. So delete off the layer. And you got a better face, a smoother and better face to be imposed on the body. So what I need to do is just to shape the head on the body, and you got a man behind the mask on the suit. Have you seen a man behind a mask on the suit before? Never, right? This is the first time, I think. And also not only that, on the moon as well. So shift the moon behind the body and the head. Sometimes there's something that's ironic. A masked man on the suit on the moon. you can merge the two layers, so you can move the picture around, and that's it. Hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you find it worth your time, do donate to my account for this free show. And also at the same time, do subscribe me because I really need subscribers so that I can be able to do more and then show you a lot of free stuff and a lot of things that can be done on Adobe, and not only that, also including animation in the future. And also watch my other videos on other channel for animation part. See ya, thank you for watching.